Hi, I'm Justin Pate, CEO of the Wrap Institute. And when you're working with interior wrapping films, like from Cover Styl, it means variety. You'll be working with a wide range of different types of interior wrapping film, from let's say marble, matte, glitter, wood, and even textured films like alligator. Pretty fun. It also means you're wrapping a wide variety of different types of substrates, from let's say furniture, cabinets, walls, kitchens, and much more. And to seamlessly wrap all those objects and handle that variety, one of the key recipes is having the right tools. In this video, I want to focus on the right tools, especially for Cover Styl, so you can get that super successful install. And they're all in the Solar Screen Tools and Liquids catalog from SOT, the 6th edition. I'm going to show you the standout tools from there, where to order the catalog, and the tools. So with that, let's wrap and roll.
And we begin with mastic. It's a bi-component filler for the preparation of wood-based metal surfaces generally used for all hard substrates requiring high final definition. It dries quickly and allows the filled part to be worked on after a short time. In order to get a high-tack bond on absorbent surfaces, use the high-tack bond primer. It was created to have maximum adhesion on absorbent surfaces such as plaster or MDF board. The product must be diluted 1:1 with water except for the perimeter where it can be applied at full strength. Drying time is 60 to 120 minutes. The result is outstanding performance on absorbent surfaces, plus maximum yield is guaranteed. High-tack bond primer comes in 1 and 3 liter containers. In order to guarantee long-term hold on edges and corners, use Primer Pro. Primer Pro is an iso alcohol-based solution that optimizes the adhesion of adhesives on multiple substrates. It comes in 250 milliliter cans as well as 1 liter bottles. For the optimal install experience, combine the Primer Pro bottles with the Primer Pro stick. Simply fill the container with Primer Pro before the install. The stick is designed to easily apply the Primer Pro on the perimeter of the surface without touching it to your skin. It also helps with applying the right quantity to reduce smell and excessive product application. By taking the best features of existing squeegees, Cover Styl created the perfect one for interior decoration. It is 13 centimeters wide, which allows for wider coverage. It is rigid, which is ideal for applying interior wrapping film on a wide range of substrates. It has 3 rounded edges and 1 90-degree angle, which gives installers options for finishing edges. Pair the Cover Styl squeegee with a felt pad replaceable buffer. Another cool tool is a squeegee with a backing slitter on one side. The replaceable blade is safely enclosed in the slitter holder, so you can be sure not to injure yourself while squeegeeing. Wrapping gloves are now fully established, but why should the whole hand be covered with fabric if you often only use 1 or 2 fingers to push the film into channels or seal it on edges? The solution? Little willies. Simply place the little willies on 1 or 2 fingers. Installers now can comfortably hold the material while having the benefit of protecting a finger when working the film onto the surface. The little willy comes in 1 size and in a set of 5. It is made of cut-resistant fabric and therefore meets the ASTM ANSI test, cut level 5. Skillfully marking, cutting, and finishing edges and corners is not always an easy task, especially when all edges and corners have to be perfectly uniform. With these clever guides, finishing these areas is a piece of cake. To use, simply place the mini ruler in the desired corner or edge. Choose the distance you want and insert a pen or knife into the slot. Now either mark or cut the edge precisely and in a single movement. Note, there is a 5mm gauge on the flat strip and a hole every 5mm as well. Applying Cover Styl on large, flat surfaces has never been so easy. For doors, walls, or kitchen countertops, Cover Styl has created 2 squeegees. One is 65 centimeters and the other is 100 centimeters. The squeegee edge has a unique angle which can release the liner and apply the film onto the surface in 1 stroke. As you can see, this super squeegee is truly a time saver.
So this has been your overview of the standout tools and the new catalog that are going to help you wrap with Cover Styl better and faster than ever. And to get this new catalog, simply go to this QR code or URL And with that, happy wrapping.